Hey guys, last time we made this drawing which includes two sheets, and we found if we change our iLogic assembly like that, for example, then our drawing has several issues. First is those overlapping projections, and the second is not centered dimensions. Sometimes they are also broken in the position. So I will show you how you can fix those problems in our sheets. So first thing is add iLogic rule with the name fix dimensions. I will copy paste there this piece of the code, but I will explain what's going on there. There are two for each loops. First is there, and the second one is there. It is nested inside. So what does it do? It told us for each sheet in sheets of our document in this drawing, do what is inside. And that is create new object collection, and for each dimension in the dimension of this sheet, do this stuff. And that is one thing. That is a check if the dimension is a linear dimension or the angular dimension, and then center the text. That is what we want to do, and add it to our collection, which we arrange in the end in each sheet. That means each drawing dimension we will center text individually, but for each sheet we call one time arrange dimensions. So I will close that and let's test it. So first thing is run the rule. It fixes only one dimension and others are still broken. I will try it once again. I don't know, it works now, but I don't know why it doesn't work for the first time. I will check what's going on there. It's okay if I will try to mess it once again. For example, like this. Oh, good. And now again, fix that. It works now and in the single step. Don't know why it fails at the first use, but it works right now. So if I will change once again our iLogic property, hit the OK and check top level assembly, it's again messed. We can try to fix that once again. No, it works. It's strange, but it works. Okay. The sheet is okay. Good. What we can do now? I think it will be a good way create a new form and put there this rule as the button inside our form. It will be called the fixed dimensions. Maybe we can put there the white space and hit the OK button. Our form is now with the button of fixed dimension, and every single time if I will hit this, it will fix our geometry. Fixed dimensions. Good. Maybe I can rename that as the menu, and also we can put the start up rule, which, as we know, do only one thing: start or show us our menu. It works. And put this startup rule into the manage and even trigger after open the document. So after the open document, we execute the startup rule, which show us our menu with the button of fixed dimensions. And if I hit the fixed dimensions, it will fix the dimensions in our drawings in all sheets of our drawing. So that's good. So it works. I hope it helps. And stay tuned for the next episode where we fit or fix this overlapping of our shapes and our projections. So good luck with your project and have a nice day.